Do you know you can also create content on YouTube here and people will start watching it? At the end of the day, you'll be able to make yourself a living here on YouTube. 2026 has finally come, and what is your plan? The 2026 is going to do well for you, not just because of the church you go or the prayers you have made. It's because of the actions that you take. The difference between you and them are these people see opportunity and grab it, and these people take advantage of the opportunity they see, which is on YouTube. A lot of people come to YouTube, watch content, entertain themselves. At the end of the day, they leave the YouTube and also go out their world and start begging for urgent money. You can as well start this January to build yourself income, this 2026, and start building something that your future will thank you for. Now let's teach you how you can start your own YouTube channel and do successfully well. I'm not just going to teach you how to create a YouTube account, a professional account that will help you grow on YouTube. Not just that, I'm also going to teach you how to edit your video on CapCut. I'm going to teach you how to optimize your channel. I'm going to teach you how to post consistently. Also, I'm going to teach you how to pick a perfect niche that is good for you. I'm going to teach you step by step on how you can build this channel to become a great channel, like Mr. Beast, Mark Angel. All these people will watch their content. All these people are doing one thing. The difference between you and them are because these people let go of their shame, which a lot of us put. Some people say, I cannot come to YouTube, I cannot show my face, I'm a shy person, I can't. There are a lot of things you can do. You can even do faceless YouTube channel. You can do something here on YouTube to help your future. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new YouTube channel that will help you to start uploading whatever you are doing. There are a lot of niches you can do here on YouTube, which I'm going to make videos so that you pick the one that is suitable for you, the one that can go viral for you. Or if you want to build something that you have already in your mind, how you can do it so that it will go on successfully. So look, starting a YouTube channel is one good thing that can happen to you in this 2026. Don't let this 2026 pass without you doing something, not just something for now, something for future. YouTube is one thing that you can build and build it for years. It will feed you even at your old age. YouTube is something that when you start it at the beginning, it may be difficult, but as time goes on, you start enjoying it. There is no amount of stress, time, or money you invested in YouTube that is waste. I can tell you this for sure. This is one thing you can do for yourself this 2026. Stop scrolling and watching other people's content just only for entertainment. You can do that, but as you are watching other people's content, being entertained, also do something that people will also watch your own. If you are ready to do that, let's dive into this video where I will teach you how to create a successful YouTube channel for you to start uploading your videos and also blessing your future, because at the end you are going to thank me for this. Let's dive into it. Create account. Click here. Once you click here, ask you for personal use, for work, or my business. So the account you are creating now is not just your personal use, it's for work. So you click on it. It has opened. You put your name, Easter, optional. This is optional. Next. Now it has come. Ask you day. I'm picking this. These are not my informations. I'm just using this for the training. So use this year. You use the year, but the year must be above 18. We say 19. Gender, you put your gender, which is male or female, anyone you are. Let me use female. I'm a female. Now click here next. Then this is the options that he brought out to you. So I just click on this one. Let me use this first one. Next. Password. Please, the password you put must be strong. Use a strong password. .com. And use hash.com hash. So this password is strong. So let's see what it gives us. This is it. It says save. You save it. It has become confirm is your phone number. So let me put the phone number. Confirm. Go next. Okay, confirm code that you receive. Now they will send this code to me. It's already here. 9 done. We have automatically, yes, it's me, automatically start up a new YouTube channel, and this new YouTube channel is different from the ones that you have. So this one now is for business. Okay, accept. Confirm. Agree. So I'm going through all these things. I've already go through this because I already have account. That's why I'm not reading it. So you can see closely here, you will see this. It said no channel, no channel. So what we are going to, because that name we use cannot be used for YouTube, so we use the name. Then I'll come to this place, click here. Next thing, I'll just, let me change the name. I'll come, I'll say Pretty Precious. Pretty Precious. Let's save and see what it will give us. So as you can see, we have already created channel with this. It is already a functioning channel. It's functioning now because it already has the name. Look at it. This is Pretty Precious. This account is automatically ready to be used. So this is it. This is how you create your YouTube channel. This is how you create a YouTube channel. If you can see, we have created a YouTube channel, a brand new YouTube channel that we can use to upload our videos, to upload whatever I want to upload. This is it. It's ready and functional. You can start uploading, start watching people content and start uploading. Look at it. The name have automatically show here. This is Pretty Precious channel. So this is it. It's functioning perfectly well. So as you can see, this is all it takes for you to start your own new YouTube channel. You can see it's very simple. All you need to do is that use this channel to watch a lot of things, especially the things that you are planning to do. Watch it like 1 week or less. Before you know it, before then you would already plan what you want to start uploading on it. You can create content, about 5, 10, 15 content, and start uploading them one by one. Before you know it, you will find interest on it, and because there is a lot of joy to be a content creator on YouTube. So I thank you for choosing to watch this video today, and I tell you, you're going to thank me in future for starting this very YouTube channel. If you like what we are doing here, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video to others that may need this information. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.